Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade on Huobi. First, you'll need to set up your account and complete the necessary identity verification. Once that's done, deposit funds into your Huobi wallet. You can use various methods like bank transfers or other cryptocurrencies. Familiarize yourself with the trading interface and the different order types before making your first trade. It's quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. To place a spot trade, begin by selecting your desired trading pair, for example, Bitcoin versus USD. Next, decide if you want a limit order, which executes at a specific price, or a market order, which fills immediately at the best available price. Enter the exact amount you wish to buy or sell. Always double-check all the details before confirming your order to ensure accuracy and avoid mistakes. Understanding order types is key. A limit order lets you set your desired buy or sell price, executing only when that price is met or better. Market orders, on the other hand, execute instantly at the current market price. There are also more advanced options like stop limit orders. Remember that trading platforms like Huobi typically charge a small trading fee, often around 0.2% for each transaction. After placing trades, it's important to monitor your open orders and review your trade history regularly. For your security, always enable two-factor authentication on your account. When you're ready to take profits or move assets, withdraw your funds securely to a trusted external wallet. Staying informed about market trends and news will help you make better trading decisions and manage your portfolio effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.